Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to texture our magnifying glass. So go ahead and open it up, and then we're going to be going to Arnold first, and then just grab a Skydome lights. Alright, I think first off, let's go ahead and grab these faces that are going to be on the inside. So go to face mode, click Q, and then hold tab, click 1 and double click to select the whole ring, hopefully. Oh, it doesn't look like circles allow us. So for this, all you're gonna do is just hold tab and go in a circle, and then kind of go over it a couple times, make sure you got them all. All right, that should be good for the inside part. I think the rest of it will be the metal. So let's do the same thing on this side and select all of them. All right, sweet. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and do assign, hold right click and assign a new material. Here you're going to do AI standard surface, and then I'm going to change the color to kind of like a bluish tint, kind of like glass, you know. And then you're going to up transmission so it's like see-through. It might be we go all the way, we'll see. So as you can see, we can see through it right now at this point. If you click 7, you can see how it's kind of looking like glass. But let's add the next textures in. So next up, let's go ahead and go to face mode and hold Q and hold tab and select and double click on all of these rings to grab them all. I'm going to go ahead and click 6 so that I can just see stuff better. Mainly what I'm doing is I'm grabbing all of this stuff so I can make this the metal part of the model. So that should be good. Oh, don't miss that one. And then I think I'm gonna make the metal part go all the way down to here, and then this will be the black handle. So that means that we've got to select all of these guys. So you can just go through and do the same thing of double clicking. And then just making sure that you don't accidentally select part of your glass or anything. And then for this part, same thing, hold tab and click and then double click. Almost there. Okay. Actually, I think I'm going to take this one off. For that, you have to hold Control and double click. For the rest, you'll hold tab. Okay, sweet. So for this part, go ahead and hold right click, assign a new material, and do same thing, AI standard surface. This one, I'm going to make this color probably like a light gray. And then I'm going to up metalness, and I think maybe bring down roughness. Let's see, if we click 7, okay, that looks pretty good. Next, let's go into the front view. So click space and go into front view, and then you're going to just click and drag and grab all of the bottom faces for our handle. So hold right click and do assign new material. Go to shader, AI standard surface, and we'll make this color black because it's the handle. And I think I'm going to keep it plastic, so just keep like the basic settings for that. All right, to see how it's turning out, let's go to Arnold render. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, so that's how it's turning out so far. I do think, let's go into object mode. If you go all the way to the end, you'll see our different textures. So this is our metal texture, this is our glass texture, this is our standard surface. 5 is the black texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in, go to poly modeling and grab a face, and then let's click R and just scale it on up. And then I'm gonna give that plane, assign it a new material. Same thing, AI standard surface. But instead of doing like a color, I want to give it this checker. That way we can kind of see the textures really playing off of each other. Oh, that's so cool. That cool like metal grip. All right, I think I want to make maybe the blue, maybe a little bit more blue. Maybe just up that part up a little bit. And then I'm gonna up that, oh no, I'll keep the metalness all the way down. You can put diffuse roughness up if you like that look. I think I'll keep that. Actually, it's a bit more see-through without it. Keep roughness down too. Keep the transmission up pretty high. We can also change the transmission to be the color. We'll keep the depth up pretty high too. All right, so we've got that nice metal look. But that's about it. I think that looks good. You can kind of mess with some settings as you go if you want to, but for the most part, I think that looks good. So yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I will see you guys next time for our next texturing tutorial. Bye guys!